The last 1 year has been very difficult for investment markets in Africa. Global dynamics, changing sentiment on international trade, changing movements in flows of capital have affected markets. However, the underlying opportunity has not disappeared. Wishing you happy holidays and a fantastic new year, and into your future financial freedom. We at Nabo are here to be with you. I'm Robert Bunyi from Kenya and the chairman of Nabo Capital.
Hi, I'm Fred Muremi from Kenya, director of Nabo Capital. I'd like to wish all the customers and all the partners of Nabo Capital a very Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year.
Hello, my name is David Ewadako from Ghana, a board member of Nabo Capital. We wish you season's greetings from Nabo Capital as we enjoy the festivities of the season. I ask that we take time out to reflect on the purpose, think about our investments and making them purposeful. Merry Christmas.
Hello, I'm Edwin Macharia from Kenya and I'm a board member at Nabo Capital. With a 50-year track record, Nabo Capital has proven you can generate superior returns investing in Africa. So to all those who are trying to invest with purpose, we look forward to welcoming you to the Nabo Capital family. Wishing you all a happy and merry 2019.
I am Ali Angula from Namibia, a board member of Nabo Capital. From our Nabo Capital family, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy festive season.